The education system has always been plagued with poor infrastructure, and it's a reality that often is discussed but seldom acted on. However, the insufficiency of school furniture and indeed classroom spaces is extremely drastic going into this school year 2022. Very late attempts to get schools that offer technical subjects such as woodwork and metalwork to try and alleviate the problems were made by the Ministry of Education no more than 4 weeks ago. The infrastructure and furniture shortage is being exaggerated by a poorly implemented sixth form pathway program. Additionally, the government has been exceptionally late in the procurement process, which fosters great delay for the September period. Indeed, I believe it is necessary for the country to ask for answers from the government as to what was the reason or reasons for this delay. The proposals we put forward include: it has been recommended that going forward, the government sets reasonable replenishment targets for furniture and decentralize the sourcing of repairs and replenishment for schools. Which means basically giving the principals some control with a budget allocated for them to act in their best interests. To ring fence 5% of the capital budget each year for school infrastructure improvement and expansion.